As a person who believes in democracy, republicanism, and the rule of law and constitutionalism, I want to appeal to the Burmese, the Myanmar military junta, military leadership, the army leadership, to immediately asking forgiveness, recompensing the victims, the killed ones, the murdered ones, to immediately resign, to hand over the power of the governance or government to the duly elected political representatives in Burma, whatever. Secondly, I also want to urge, not only request and call upon, but to urge to immediately take action all the forces of democracy from Japan, German, Korea, France, UK, USA, Russia, whatever, Australia, Canada, to immediately end the UN and the United Nations, to immediately take action, give a deadline, timeline, ultimatum of 24 hours, otherwise take military, forcible action on the Burmese military. I urge the world leaders to take a bold, because sometimes a critical situation, when people are being gunned down, shot down, targeted and sniped it demands a very bold and swift and decisive action on your part. If you really claim to be the leader of the free world, the powers who stand for democracy, liberty, human right, human dignity, freedom of expression, connectivity, network. Look at the Burmese Myanmar people of Myanmar. They are deprived of basic human facilities, human dignity. No power, no connectivity, no electricity, no Facebook, no YouTube, no telephone connection. What is this all? Going back to the 18th century, 19th century, we have all passed through, we have seen the horrors of the Second War, of the Nazism, of the fascism, of the communist propagandist mass murder, and once again the military, supported by Russia and China, possibly here in North Korea. They are killing, targeting their own citizen, unarmed citizen, even if armed with some catapult or homemade the kind of those playthings. They are being shot and directly shot and killed. What is this all? The international community, I urge upon the UN Security Council, the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres, also to call a meeting and take action, give an ultimatum of 24 hours to the Myanmar military leadership to resign, hand over the power to the duly elected government, to the representative, to the political parties. We can idly sit by and enjoy our life and freedom here, all the while reading and watching the news of the Burmese people being killed, their own citizens being scorched earth, being committed genocide upon by their own military. That's unacceptable. Please take action. Take action. It's all for life, human dignity, and always unashamedly I recite these 3 lines from the US Declaration of Independence. I firmly believe in the life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness for each individual all over the world, irrespective of their political, religious, national boundaries, whatever. Human dignity should be upheld at any cost. Thank you.